How's it going, everybody? I'm back today again with another tutorial, and today we're going to be going over the general purpose use cases of the NTE RES Tools add-on for Blender. You're going to install this add-on just like any other add-on by heading up to the top left corner, clicking Edit, clicking Preferences, heading on down to Add-ons, and then you're going to, in the top right corner, there should be a little arrow. You're going to want to click that and click Install from Disk. After that, make sure you choose the NTE RES Tools add-on zip file and you should be all set. As you can see, this add-on has many different functions, and so let's get right into it and show you how you can utilize the NTE RES Tools. To get started, you can apply a custom resolution here at the top by setting the X value and setting the Y value, selecting the camera you would like to apply the custom resolution to, and clicking Apply Custom Resolution. This function applies to as many cameras as you would like, so make sure to test out all of the different use cases. There's also two presets here for a 1080 by 1920 portrait resolution, and there's also here a camera resolution which will change the landscape, and that's 1920 by 1080. As you can see, there's an Add New Camera button which does exactly what it sounds like by adding a new camera when you click the button. You can add as many cameras as you would like to your scene. And you can also click a camera and click Set as Active Camera. This is going to make sure that whatever camera you have selected is currently set to the active camera in the viewport. There's a new function that we've created, Easy Click Light, and all you have to do to utilize it, select an object and click Easy Click Light. This will provide a light set at the power of 200 watts by default above the object that you have selected when clicking the button. When you click the Easy Click Light button, it automatically selects the light created and gives you an adjustable light power setting. One of the coolest functions of this light that's been created is that it's actually tracked to the object you had selected as well, meaning that if you were to click G to grab the light while selected and move it around, it's going to continuously track the object no matter the location of the light. Underneath the Easy Click Light button, there's an Enable Focus button. When you select a camera and click Enable Focus, this will enable focus for the selected camera and also create an empty named Focus. This empty is going to be the target object of the focus for the camera, and you'll also have an adjustable setting for the focus of the camera. By selecting the camera that you have enabled the focus on, you can adjust the focus and the focal length up or down by using the slider, as seen here. Underneath these options, you will see a tracking object selector. You can search through the menu here to find the object you would like to track, or you can use the dropper, which I prefer, to easily select the object you would like to track. After the object has been identified you would like to track, and you have the camera that you would like to track selected, click Track Camera View to Object. This ensures that no matter where you move the object, your camera will stay tracked to it at all times. In the UI, you also have the option to adjust the start frame of your animation or the end. If we'd like our scene to start at frame 20, well, we can just type in 20 and it will automatically adjust the starting of your timeline to frame 20. And the same can be said for the frame end. Let's say we want it to stop at 180. It'll now stop at frame 180. Sleep mode is a very useful but still experimental feature. Sleep mode was built for use on PC computers running Windows. When enabled, your computer should shut down after finishing its rendering tasks. If a photo finishes rendering, your computer will shut down. Or if you're rendering an animation, It'll shut down after the last frame of your animation has completed rendering and saved. From the NTE RES Tools UI, you can change the render type from an image to animation, or maybe from animation to image. You can change the output format with many different options, from JPEG to PNG, or maybe even the FFmpeg video. You can change the rendering engine from Eevee, Workbench, or maybe even Cycles, depending on what you prefer. You also, with ease, can change the output directory of the saved rendering that you create by clicking the Open File Browser button here and selecting where you would like your files to be saved. With that being said, after you have everything configured to your liking and specifications, you can click Render to render the active scene. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and I really hope it helps you out. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to drop a comment down below or message me at ndw@usa.com. Hope to see you guys again soon. Thanks.